Before we even open up Premiere Pro, I'll give you a fast tutorial on creating folders and where to put your files. For a typical editing project, you are probably going to have what seems like countless videos, audio, graphics, and other files that you'll need. An unorganized project will lead to chaos and potentially countless hours wasted looking for files. You definitely won't always use all these folders, but if you create these 9 subfolders, you'll be set for most future editing projects. You'll also remember where files are in old or archived projects. Very handy when working with multiple editors and producers. Always keep your files organized. Find a location for your folders, preferably an external drive if your operating system drive is small. Pause the video now and create these folders. You'll be happy to know that there are scripts that can automatically generate folders for each of your new projects. More on that in episode 2. The following are the folders explained in detail. Master Project folder. This is where your subfolders will go in. Audio subfolder. Put your music files in this folder if you have any music files. Fonts subfolder. If you have any unique fonts that you're using, put them in this folder. Graphics subfolder. Put any graphics files in this folder if you are using Photoshop or Illustrator graphics. Media subfolder. This is where you'll place all your media video files and your media audio files from your shoot. .mp4s and .movs and a variety of different formats of video. Make sure that you have a backup of the media files on another drive before you start editing. Paperwork subfolder. If you have a script or notes or feedback or instructions, put them in this folder. PDFs, Word files, Excel files, and such. Previews subfolder. This folder will be for when you're exporting previews for clients. Projects subfolder. This is where all the magic happens. This is where you'll save your actual editing project file, a .prproj file that has all the editable timelines in it for your project. We'll create that in a few seconds from now. SFX subfolder. If you are working with someone who gives you an animated file or some special effects, this is the folder that you'll put those files in. Stills subfolder. A very useful folder. This stills folder will be where, you guessed it, you put your still images. If you have any to use for your editing project, put them here. If you think this is tedious to create these folders, think again. If you don't organize yourself beforehand, you will eat up a large amount of time searching for files after the fact. Oops! One more audio file. You know where that goes.